Good afternoon and welcome to Paul T's World on this lovely spring day. But we're not in the garden today. We're going to have a look at what's in flower and what blossom is out in my little corner of northwest England. It's early March and spring is definitely here.
Along many of the roadsides, the early flowering cherry trees are in full blossom. There are plenty of honeybees in this tree, enjoying the early March sunshine, although the temperature is only about 5 degrees centigrade. I always enjoy the display of crocuses under the main tree at the centre of this local village. The birds, mostly blackbirds and robins, sing loudly to attract a mate and claim their nesting territories. In May, when it starts at 4 or 5 in the morning, we call it the Dawn Chorus. An old red telephone box, not used much now as we all have mobile phones. Primroses add a splash of colour in front of the church. This mophead hydrangea has plenty of new growth, with the camellia in full flower. I love the little nodding heads of the winter pansies. Small narcissus liven up the village centre display. And last night there was a light fall of snow pellets or graupel. More trees in blossom in someone's garden behind this sandstone wall. Quince, a small shrub, grown for its edible fruit, originates from Persia and introduced into England over 700 years ago. This heather is a valuable source of pollen and nectar for the bees. This roadside verge planted with daffodils really brightens up the scenery. Common gorse. As you can see from the flowers, it's a member of the pea family and can flower at any time of the year, but is particularly welcome in spring. I'm really looking forward to April and May, when the trees get their new, fresh green leaves. Now, I can't resist showing you some of the spring flowers in my garden. Now, pride of place at this time of year are the hellebores. I've noticed the viburnums are flowering better than ever. In fact, I've never seen them this good. This little candy tuft is just starting to flower. In a few weeks, it'll be absolutely covered white. And this little aubrietia is just getting going.
I hope you've enjoyed this little look round the spring flowers in early March, and I'll see you next time in Paul T's World. Bye.